Colton, be quiet. We are about to play with Play-Doh. I'm gonna get this pink out. It's empty. It's empty! Well, I know how to make my own Play-Doh, so come on.
So we had a little accident with the food coloring. Colton, what happened to your hand?
Now you're gonna make us start crying.
Say hi. You sound not so happy about it though.
No Play-Doh? No problem.
No problem.
I'm gonna teach you how to make your own.
We already making a mess. We ain't even got started. So you didn't have any Play-Doh. So now we're gonna make our own.
Okay, so the first thing we need is cornstarch. Cornstarch. And then you also need shampoo. Shampoo.
No.
Conditioner.
It's also what you need. Conditioner, you know what I use to beautify my hair?
It to be not comfortable.
Comfortable. If you want your Play-Doh to be comfortable.
Colorful, then you need some food color. 3 drops of comfortable stuff. Of food color. So we're going to need a cup of cornstarch.
A cup.
Shit! The next thing we have to do is a half a cup of conditioner.
I'm not used to using conditioner.
What happened? So, we have to mix this with our hands. Ooh, this feels weird. Ew! Ew!
My turn! Oh, I feel like it's getting there, baby.
He worked with his.
I worked it.
I am working with mine. This is our finished product. So this is our finished project. I mean, we got dolls, so we can do whatever we want with them.
So, oh, you want to accessorize some dolls
I mean, we can.
with our new Play-Doh? I got all my new kids. Yeah, I call them the Green Rockets.
Look at this amazing Play-Doh sticking together perfectly. And take some of this, and I can dab it on her face to make her look kind of, you know, sick. Help! 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 Whoa!
Here, right here, look, you take a bite. Ooh.
So, this is our finished project. Like I said before, please subscribe and like, and leave down in the comments if you want us to do a different craft. I got no rules, I got them.
Click the video on the left to join us at the pet store and see what kind of slithery and creepy creatures we encounter. Or click the video on the right to watch the giant snake that we find in the house.